You got Broby?
What is it?
Tiger Papa. Thank you. Yeah, clean it up, bud. Make yourself useful.
What else is there?
What else did you get? Thank you. I'll hold it. Go see what else you got. What else is over there?
He's so excited.
Whoa, what's that?
Yeah.
Elmo? Can you give him kisses? No. Okay, I'll hold him.
What else did you get?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's that, Finn? Is that Finn's own guitar? I see. Whoa, look at that. Good? The way bar works. What else?
Christmas tree?
Yeah, the Christmas tree's out. What else did you get, Finn? Oh, what's that?
Get on it. You like the Christmas.
What's that? Finn, what else kind of toys did you get, baby boy? Yeah, what's that? Trucks? Cool. Look how cool that is. Whoa, two of them? Let's bring it all. There you go. Thank you. Whoa, look at that, Finn again. Yeah, I know.
Thank you. Oh, Daddy gets it.
Thank you.
Hey, babe.
Whoa, look at this, Finn. Look, he's got a ramp, bub.
Thank you.
Yeah. He's got a ramp. Ooh. Move this one out of the way. Whoa.
Bailey, I can't see with your big head in the way.
Cool. Yeah.
Elmo. Look at his face. Move, babe.
Finn, get on the handy-mandy motorcycle thing. Get in there. Get on it. Get on it.
Push the button.
It's gonna run him over. Get on it. Can I show you something?
Yeah.
No, not that. Come on. Come over here. Come here. Did you plug it in?
Yeah.
Come no, oh.
Oh. You don't want... Look, look.
And you want to try it?
Yeah.
Then
Get
come
on.
You have to get on it.
No? He's like, I'll get it by myself. He'll run you over.
No, look. Push the button right here. Whoa.
Sit on it.
Now get on it. Let me help you, okay? Good boy. Push the button.
Whoa.
You want to go get it? Ready? Hit the steer. Hit the steer. Got it? She can turn. Good boy.
You should see the look on his face.
Steer towards daddy. Turn it. Remember? Turn. There you go.
Whoa, what do you think? What do you think about that, Finn?
Hello. Yeah.
Come on, baby. What?
Yeah. Yeah.
Got some cars. Finn, what's this?
Whoa. What is that? Is that a tunnel?
Here, will you pull that side over so he can have room?
Bailey, get out of the way. Come on, baby.
Look, Finn. What's in there?
Come on.
Go get him. Who's down there? Oh, no. It's all right.
Bailey, get out of there. What else did you get?
Yeah.
Yeah, is that
Candy
a Christmas tree?
cane.
Did you want one?
Yeah.
Really? In the morning? You want one now?
Yeah.
Okay. Get it.
Oh.
Let me open it.
Do the candy dance. Thank you.
Welcome.
Show Mommy. Can you blow me a kiss? Mwah.
Oh.
Thank you. Get Dada kisses. Say thank you, Dada.
Thank you. Merry Christmas, puppy.